3 for Just Nailed It, and today I'm coming to you with a frozen manicure. Out to the side over here, I can't move the pails, they're soaking in water. I have got 3 frozen decals of 3 beautiful frozen ladies. We are going to apply them on 3 different nails. On the nails I have got, this is my wonky one, this beautiful shimmery pink over white. It is a mini by Modelones. It is called Ice Bar. I'm out of it. This is probably the last manicure I'd be able to use on it. I've already applied 2 coats off camera. I have not done anything else to them. I am going to be applying a She Modern Grip Gel. I mean, there is the sticky tacky layer, but I want to apply this. I want to be able to manipulate and, you know, position the water decals where I want them. So I'm going to apply this. I have got blackness on my index finger and I don't know why. Ugh. Yuck. So I'm going to apply that on 3 nails. So I've never done a frozen, oh shoot, Batman. I've never done a frozen manicure before. So I'm a little, what is going on with that? The magnet is sticking out of the peg. I don't know if you can see this. See how that little lip is up right there, the magnet? So it's not flush on the surface, which really sucks. These 2, where's my top coat? I'm going to go ahead and put the top coat on these now for my gems. That way everything is curing at one time. This is a mini by Modelones. I believe theirs is called Top It Off. Pop this on. I hope everybody's having a good day. Any comment, let me know what's going on in your neck of the woods. It's been a while since some of us have spoke. We'll put this in the lamp. Give this like a 30-second cure. Some of you, my viewers, I know just come by, watch the video, go about your way. But I would appreciate a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Some of you are viewing that I used to chat with, and I don't know, I'm not sure what happened, but I'd appreciate a few words. Give a girl a holler. Subscribe to my channel if you are here and have not been here before. Please ring the bell and click all. That way you get notified of every video I put up, which is 3 times a week. Tuesday is my docu-series. Thursday is a crapshoot. We could be doing nail art like today. I could be doing a review or a haul. There's multiple things I could be doing on a Thursday. I think I hit the wrong setting. Saturday is my She Modern series, where I do a She Modern manicure using only She Modern products usually. I mean, my gems, of course, those are She Modern. My rhinestones, my gems, my bling. My polishes are She Modern, of course. I do use their pigments and all their variety of other items that they sell. You have the pigments and the water paints and the jellies. So I use a variety of those sometimes. The hollows. Hello, Erica. Hello, baby. Gonna pull these out of the lamp, shut this baby off. I'm hoping you can see this pink. It is a hollow pink, but it is super, super light. So I'm going to take off my bling nails, as I'm going to call them. Here's my palette off here to the side. I'm using my old Ice Cube stamper by Maniology. There is a code down in the description box if you want to save yourself 10%. I need to get a drink. I'm getting thirsty. Alrighty. I'm going to start with the thumbnail, which is this one right here. So have yourself a lint-free something. Center this over the nail where you want it placed. You are going to want your, and I can't see, oh, there it is, your silicone tool. I used the grip gel because we are supposed to be able to slide this around. Start from your center out. Make sure there are no air or water bubbles. I think that's really cute. Alright, alright, alright. We're gonna go in with this little beauty here. Dab, dab, dab. Whoops, almost lost my gems. I did not score these. Normally when I use any type of a decal, I score them. And I forgot. I do that because our nails are not flat. I have seen some flat nails, but ours are curved. Normally. Naturally. So by scoring them, it helps, you know, to put them on the nail where they're going to adhere better and they're going to curve and, you know, they're going to go with the bend of the nail. Here are our frozen ladies. I think this is so cute. We are now going to go in with our bling. I'm going to pause. I do want to clean this water up, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. I have got my bling over here. I'm going to dump them out on my mat so I can kind of sort of straighten them out. Flip them over. Get my wax picker upper. Alrighty. It won't come off. Oh, I cured them. What did I do that for? Oh my goodness. Duh. You want your bling to stick to your nail, you don't cure them. Can't believe I did that. Oh, I had a definite brain fart. No wonder my bling would not stick. Definitely having trouble with these. have a hard time seeing them if they're on the right side up. Let me think here. Shoot. Definitely over too far. So let me do this other side, see if I have enough room. Okay. I do. So I'm gonna pop this one in the lamp. Oh, shoot. Man. Slippery fingers here. Now if I can only find the other one. I cannot believe I did that. Just pull this one off. Make sure they're all going in the right direction. Alright, now I'm going to pop this one in the lamp. Put this one up here. Alright. Trying so hard to concentrate, and I am a bead short. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna pause, find me another gem. Alright, we are back in business now. Whoops. Got one slipping and sliding. So I'm gonna put this in the lamp. Hurry and cure those. So time code these. I will also be using my Modelones mini here as well. I like these mini little bottles, they fit perfectly in your hand. They don't last long, but they do fit perfectly in your hand. There we go. I'm gonna wait for those to come out. I think these turned out really super cute. Let me get those secure and we will return. We are back. Fresh out of the lamp, as I say. So let me bring these in kind of super close so you can see them. This nail, the gems shifted, so they're not straight on how they were placed. I always have that luck. It could have happened when I dropped this one. I had to redo it, but these all shifted. That's too bad, but I think it turned out really cute. This is my frozen Manny. These bigger ones here that cover the portion of the nail I call water slides, not water decals. I mean, they are, but that's what I call them, or water slides. But yeah, so leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. This one will stay right. A little bit as well. Oh, we got a little fuzzy. We got a fuzzy on the nail. So let me comment down below with your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Holler at your girl. Subscribe to my channel. Click all. See you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.